Hey there, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm around a bunch of stuff all the time that I probably shouldn't be getting in my facial hair, but it ends up there anyway. And today I'm going to show you guys how for the last 30 days I've been cleaning it out. Because today we're taking a look at Age of Beard's beard soap. Age of Beard was so nice to send me this along with a few other products for me to review for you guys. And as always, for the last 30 days, or actually a little bit more, I've been using this to wash my mustache and my goatee. Originally, this bar of soap was a 4.5 ounce bar, and as you can see, well, it's a little bit smaller since I've been using it. Now the packaging for this is just a little plastic sheet with a wraparound label on it. The label's got the instructions, the ingredients, and any warnings that they give, which really the warning just says what every soap does, which is to try this out in a small area first just to make sure that you're not allergic to anything that's in it. Now this bar comes in 3 different scents. However, the one that they sent me was the professional, so that's all that I can really comment on. And to me, this is a very nice, very light perfume scented bar of soap. I actually smell the natural soap ingredients in it probably more than I do the actual scent of the soap. Now this bar of soap is also a handmade and hand mixed ingredients. Along with that, they use organic and natural ingredients in this bar of soap, which means that you're not going to have any man-made chemicals in it, which to me is always a plus when I'm putting something near my mouth. The ingredients in this bar of soap are coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, glycerin, goat's milk, water, sodium hydroxide, titanium dioxide, sorbitol, soybean protein, vitamin E, and the essential oils that give it its scent. And yes, I did say that it has goat's milk in it, which definitely helps with how nice and smooth this applies to the skin and even the goatee and mustache. Now, in case if you're wondering what sodium hydroxide is, it sounds like a man-made chemical. However, it's just lye. They've been using lye in soap for a really long time. And it's basically what helps get your skin and your facial hair clean. A couple of things that I noticed about this is that it does a really good job of lathering up nice and thick when you are applying it to your goatee, your beard, your mustache. And I also noticed that you're probably not going to want to use this after you shower because you're going to want to use that shower head to rinse it out because it is kind of a pain just trying to rinse it out underneath a faucet. Now when applying it to the body, it really doesn't lather up very much. However, it is really nice and smooth. I like it because it is all natural. It's got that goat's milk in it. It did a really good job of cleaning out any of the extra oils and stuff that I had in my beard without drying it out. So if you're looking to get your beard clean for just about $9 on the website linked below, you can get yourself a bar of this. If this review helped you out at all, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you're currently using to wash out your facial hair, or just what grooming products you're currently using. And until next time, you have a good one.